How to Switch Account in Mobile Legends, Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to switch accounts in Mobile Legends on your mobile device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Mobile Legends. Launch the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your phone and wait for it to load to the main lobby screen. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon. At the top left corner, tap your profile picture to open your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Center. Now tap on the Account tab, then select Account Center. Step 4. Tap Switch Account. Inside the Account Center, tap Switch Account. You'll see a list of platforms like Moonton, Google Play, Facebook, TikTok, and more. Step 5. Choose your linked account. Select the platform where your other Mobile Legends account is linked. Log in if required, and confirm you want to switch accounts. Final step. Restart if needed. Mobile Legends will restart and your game will now load with the new account. Outro, and that's how you switch accounts in Mobile Legends. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to HowtoMastery, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching!